Hello everybody and welcome to Math Lesson 7. This is going to be kind of a short video because we're actually going to use some of the day for finishing our creatures in the Creative Cats Lab for our science lesson. So what I am doing is I'm giving out a math study guide that I have created. Next week on Monday and Tuesday is going to be the test for the first unit of math class. This study guide is going to look exactly like the test. I'm creating the test too. I'm just going to change the numbers on here. So these are all things that I have taught in class and I expect the kids to do well on, or at least know for the test. So for this, I'm just going to kind of review what we've done so far, and I'm also going to add a link to the math playlist. So if you want to look at any of the lessons that we have done for math this far, then you can do that. So the first section of this, find the place value of the underlying digit. The place value is where it is. So like in this first one, the 7's underlined, that's the tens place. This one, the 8's underlined, it's the thousands place, okay? That one is where it is. Place value or place is where it is. Value here is how much, okay? So the 5 is in the thousands place, but it's worth 5,000, okay? This one is in the hundreds place, but it's worth 900. So the answer to this one would be 5,000. The answer to this one would be 900 for value, okay? Then I have a couple find the mystery number. So you're gonna have some clues here, what digits are for what place, and you need to write the number up here on these lines. Down here, estimating, we did some estimating. You have a couple of word problems. It's important to know what those word problems are asking you. So I expect you to estimate on those. On the back side, we are going to do some rounding, some practice rounding. So this first one, round to the nearest thousand, all three of these, round to the nearest 100,000, and round to the nearest 100. Then on this one, briefly explain the process of rounding in the space below. I want you to explain to me how you understand rounding. Do you have any rhymes? Maybe a rhyme that I taught you. Do you have any of that stuff? And then down below, I want you to add and subtract using the algorithms that we have taught you. Remember, that's just a fancy word meaning process. What is the process of adding, carrying the one, all that fun stuff. Now, last Thursday we taught adding. I will not get to subtraction until this Thursday and Friday, okay? So I will not teach that yet, but it will be on the test. So I put it on the study guide that I'm gonna give to you today. So on those subtraction ones, I don't want you to not do them. I want you to try to do them, and I will help you if you get them wrong. We'll fix them on Thursday and Friday when I actually teach you how to subtract, okay? I want you to do them. I know we have not done them yet, but the process is very similar to adding. See if you can figure it out by yourself, okay? If not, this is how your parents learned how to do it. So they might be able to help you guys out too on that. That's it for the math lesson today. Like I said, we're not going to have a long math period because I want you guys to do your projects in science. I think that's really, really important for us to create and have some time to create. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.